Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. I'm Connie, you probably guessed it, I'm the Italian. I decided to create this channel to keep track of all the creative ideas that I have. I've been creative since I was really young, since I can ever remember. And I thought, let's put them together. Let's see if somebody else is inspired with what I do. I'm inspired by everything I see around me. There's some amazing people doing amazing stuff. And I thought, I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go and see where it takes me. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But why stop? Being Italian is all about food. When I left Italy to come to the UK, my mum gave me a load of recipes that I will be trying to replicate. And hopefully they're going to be just like mama used to make. Crafting is another passion of mine, so I will be making videos of the idea, paper, realization. Hopefully this is going to inspire you. Last but not least is photography. Recently started learning photography and I'm just interested in toy photography mainly. So I will be showing you how I create the set and then turning into a photo. So these are all my passions, and the main aim of this channel really is to inspire you and have fun. Come with me on a discovery of possibility, all made the Italian way. And if you like what you see, just subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep up to date with the next videos. Hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.